I have created this simple line journal page within Canva under 1 minute, and in this video I am going to show you the same process. You don't need to add lines. You don't need to click 100 times to create a simple line journal page within Canva. So this is updated version and this is very simple and easy to do. All you need to do is follow this video. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to go out here. So here we are on Canva, and once you are on the home page of Canva, you can go here on the create design and click on the custom size, and once you click here you can see this is the in pixels. You can change it to inches and then set the dimensions as 8.5 into 11 inches and then click on create design. Once you click on create design, it will create a simple page here. Let me delete this page. There would be a blank page here. You can rename it here, and then all you need to do is to create a lined page. You don't need to go here to the element section and add lines like this and change the thickness of the lines and place here, and you don't need to do that. So delete this one. Go here to the template section and search lined paper. I have already searched this lined paper, and from these templates you can click on any template and create a line journal as per your likings. For example, if you want to create a very simple page, you can click on here this template. It will create a very good lined journal page for Amazon KDP. You can change the look and feel of this page. Click here and Ctrl+A from your page. It will select all the lines. You can go here and you can change the thickness. You can change the way the lines look. You can change to dash, or you can click on the simple lines, or you can click on this 3 or this very smaller dots. You can click on this one and you can go back and see how the lines look. You can also go back, and if you want to create this type of lines, click here and you will see this. The point is you can customize it as per your liking. So you can also select a different template, like we can select this one and change here the title. You can click on this one and you can change the background image, background color to white, and it will be a totally changed page. And then you can also click on this floral template. It is paid one, so you can click on any free if available. Like this page, it is free one. So there are hundreds of templates available to free users as well, but for the sake of this video I have clicked on this one. This is very simple lined page, and now all you need to do is duplicate it 99 times to create a 100-page journal for Amazon KDP. To do that, just go to here. I am going to show you the quickest way. Click on grid view and Ctrl+D to duplicate. Now we have 2 pages, then Ctrl+A and then Ctrl+D 4 times to create 10 pages, 6, 8 and 10 pages. And then now select all, Ctrl+A and then Ctrl+D. There would be 20 pages. Now again Ctrl+A and all pages have been selected. Then Ctrl+D 4 times, 40 pages, 60 pages and 80 pages, and then again Ctrl+D. It will create 100 pages. Now we have a line journal for Amazon KDP of 100 pages, 8.5 into 11. We have created this under 5 minutes, and you can also create the very simple, very first page under 1 minute. So let me exit this grid view. Now we can go to here on full view or full screen and see our journal. You can see here 1 of 100, and as the pages are same, you can't see any difference here, but it is changing. So this is how you can create a very simple lined journal within Canva by using. So this is all from me today. I hope you will love this video, and don't forget to watch my next video. In that specific video I have shown a very simple way to do keyword research for Amazon KDP. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.